Okay, well, it told me so. Alrighty. We're paddling out of Milford. Okay, I got a boat launch sticker there. Hi, Booby. One day kayaking. The other day you're on your bike. How you doing? All right, let me see you. Say hello. Hello. Okay. We'll go out here a little bit. Let me get in front of you. We're gonna go single file, okay? So we get out there. Can't be side by side. Having lunch there, Mr. Seagull. Chunk of bunker. Yeah, there's bunker everywhere in here. I need a drink of water. Let's see.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
No, it's all right. Relax. Just
I don't want to hit your kayak.
you know what? I've told you already. About 4 years after I really care if you hit this kayak, when I first got it. Okay, don't forget your basics. Put your hands where they belong. Okay, put your hands where they belong. Feel your knees up under the kayak. Okay. Remember, when you steer, if you want to go more to the right, then you pick up the left knee and you paddle a little bit on that left side, and you'll veer over that way. Okay. Just take your time. Nice, smooth, slow strokes. We're not in a hurry. Okay? She'll get over the fear initially. Maybe I'll make you go swimming, huh, babe? It looks so nice. It's September 15th, opening day of bow hunting season in Connecticut. Plenty of time to kill deer. I am. Yeah, don't you see the little light blinking?
I can't see the light. I see the timer.
Well,